Okay, I woke up at 7 a.m. My flight's at 3:40. I'm trying to drink 3 of these, and I'm really bad at drinking water. I usually probably wouldn't even drink 1 in a day, but if I'm gonna travel, I know hydrating a ton is so important. I'm just doing my hair right now. I have a window seat. A window seat is my preferred seat selection because I like to edit videos and things. That's what I'm planning on doing on the flight today, and if I have a window seat, it's a little more private versus aisle. A lot more people can like see me editing myself and looking weird. So with a window seat, it's not very fun to get up and go to the bathroom. So I actually don't drink very much water when I'm at the airport or anything like that. I try and just really hydrate a bunch before I leave. Okay, let's go make some breakfast. Oh, really? This is like my little serenity self-care moment. I've got a candle lit, I'm eating my yummy breakfast, and I am taking my vitamins. And yes, I use Care of vitamins. I'm super excited about this brand because taking vitamins has been all new to me. I never in my life had taken vitamins before this, and they have just made it really easy to figure out what I need. I'll have Care of linked below. You take a 5-minute quiz about your lifestyle and what your needs are, and then they will send you a 30-day supply, and these packets are compostable. So they send you a packet about the vitamins that you chose. The vitamins that I got are B complex, rhodiola, vitamin D, and 2 magnesiums. When I took the quiz, I remember I talked about how when I work out, I wanted something for muscle recovery because I feel like I will be sore for days and it's so uncomfortable. That is the biggest difference, oh my gosh, that I have noticed from these. This rhodiola truly has helped me so much because I like to take boot camp classes and I would be so sore for like 3 days, so uncomfortable, it would be hard to sleep. And I truly have noticed within the past month that I've been taking these that now I go to those classes and I recover so much quicker. I don't get as sore, and it's not because I'm getting stronger because I only take the class once a week. So I really don't get stronger. I truly believe it is because this has been helping me a lot. Another thing I love is the packaging is so cute. I just leave it on my kitchen counter because I like the way it looks and it reminds me to take my vitamins every morning. These packets are super handy since I'm traveling. I'm just gonna grab 5 days worth and I'm good to go. And for 25% off your first order, you can use the code Monica. So I'll have that linked below. Go check out Care of, take the quiz, and let's get going. My flight is at 3:40, so if I have an afternoon flight like that, it's like, okay, get ready for the day. If it were an early flight, say 7:45, like I was originally supposed to take, I would not bother getting ready at all. I spent all of yesterday filming a video and I actually didn't finish, and I have to have it done before I leave. So I was stressing out, and then I got an email from Delta, who I'm flying with, about inclement weather where I'm traveling. They gave me an option to either cancel my flight, stay on my flight, or change to a later flight for free. And I booked a basic economy ticket. Shout out to all my basic economy bitches out there. If there's one kind of basic, it's basic economy because I don't want to spend money on flights. With basic economy, you can't make any changes. You'd have to cancel your flight and rebook a new one. But because of the weather, they let me change it for free. So that was actually such a lifesaver. The only downside is then I get in at midnight. So just doing my everyday makeup, nothing crazy. If you travel a lot or you're going on a trip, I would highly recommend getting eyelash extensions. They're so nice to have. They make you feel like you don't really need to wear makeup. Sometimes I feel like packing very extensively, and other times I feel like packing super light and simple. Today we're going light and simple, but I will say I'm going strong on the skincare. I have all of these mini versions of Kiehl's products. They're so cute. Kiehl's sent me their advent calendar. It's 25 days of skincare. Isn't that amazing? It's so cool. I'm trying to be really good about skincare because I just can tell my skin's gonna start getting dry really soon. bring a couple coats, this really warm one and then this just waterproof one. Do I do checked bag or carry-on? Will this huge coat not take my entire bag? Okay, yeah, we're going check. Gonna wear these on the plane, but I might work out, so I kind of want to bring running shoes. Ooh, then I need workout clothes. Okay. All right. There are some less glamorous things that I have to do too, like make sure I break down my recycle and get that outside and then take that trash out. Otherwise, it'll stink. I'm gonna head out pretty soon, but I'm gonna make a smoothie really quick because I'm a little bit hungry. This is all I have. I'm using the Care of whey protein in vanilla. It's so good. I have to head out in like an hour. And that is it. I am ready to go to the airport. I am all ready to go now. All right, let's head to the airport. Got to my gate. I'll be flying through dinner, 3 p.m. till midnight. So I was like, I should eat before, and I had a salad. It was nice and healthy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to New York City, where the local time is 11:43 p.m.
Okay, it's the next day. I'm so tired. I got to bed at probably like 2 in the morning last night, but I'm here, I'm in New York. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks to Care of for sponsoring this video. Don't forget you can use Monica for 25% off your first order, so I'll have a link below. Go take your I need to take my vitamins again because it's a whole new day. And I'm so tired. But that's my travel routine, and I'm feeling good about how I left things. I was very prepared, and I'm now happy to be here. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.